Hi everybody, it is Alicia Maxwell of The Simple Natural, and here we are. I'm on the floor in my bathroom because I'm going to a family reunion tomorrow, and I've got a load of laundry. Make that like four, but we're going to the laundromat because, honey, time is money, money is time, and I don't waste either. You heard. So I am making this video because I've got some things on my mind. Number one, I got a haircut today, y'all. Um, I mean, I like it. I did not want to go back this short, but it is what it is, and it is hair, and it is gonna grow back. But I got a haircut. There you go. I do feel like I do feel like it's cool. It'll grow on me in about a week, and it's a good time for me just to pamper myself because I don't really have to take care of my hair like I did when it was long. So that's one thing. Just a quick update. Number two, this family reunion is for my dad's side of the family. And the thing about that is that I have not been to a family reunion for my people, as in my mom or my dad's side of the family, in a long time. Very, very long. And some of you know the story, some of you don't. We will go into that in a later video if you'd like to hear about it. But I just got some things on my mind. First and foremost, it is really good to have roots. It's really good to have family. It does not mean that you're going to agree with everything all the time. It doesn't mean that you're right and they're wrong, or that they're right and you're wrong. It's just good to have somebody that you can link to, okay? And I say that because I didn't always feel that way, but I say that because I've been away from my family for like damn near 16 years. And I have felt just a longing for a reconnection. I've also done a disservice. I have a son who's 17 and I have a daughter. She's grown, you know, but I feel like I have done a disservice to them because I willingly, for the most part, made a choice to not be with family. So anyway, I'm going to a friend reunion. We are leaving tomorrow, and it is very important for me to connect to that energy of family and to connect to that physical body of family. There are some things that, I have been writing down for maybe like somewhere between like 3 and 5 years, right? And things that I have noticed about my feelings, my thoughts, the way that I do things. And sometimes when I'm reading it back to myself, certain things stick out, right? And I have been feeling the need to get some answers as to why I do what I do, why I feel how I feel, why I move how I move, right? And some of it I feel like I figured out as far as my specific upbringing. And then some of it just eludes me. And I feel like I need to make a familial connection. So this is my dad's side of the family, like I said before. And, I'm going to be enjoying myself, but I'm also going to be absorbing and processing and journaling a lot at the same time. One thing that I'm very cognizant of is that life is not promised. Like this physical plane that we are living in, life ain't promised. And people are leaving this earth, and the people that are still here feel a certain type of way about that because we get into the woulda, coulda, shouldas. Something that's been slapping me in the face is what what uh what should I be doing? What could I be doing? And I'm not talking about the past. That is what it is. And that's something to be dealt with at a different time. But I'm saying, like, right now, today, with what I know, with who I know, with what I feel, with who I feel, what should I be doing with that? And something keeps telling me that I need to connect. Um, the souls that are here in physical form right now, they ain't always going to be here. And in order for me to connect the dots of things that I feel, uh, while the opportunity presents itself, I feel like I need to see, hear, taste, and touch and smell the reality, the bodies of the people that, for all intents and purposes, I am carrying their lineage. Uh, um, this is really important to me. Um, as a Black woman, right? I have the womb. I am the incubator, um, for history, for knowledge, for wisdom. Um, I know when I was a kid, I used to have a recurring dream, and it was like, if you guys have seen the movie Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon, and when they were like literally running across the treetops and running across the roofs of homes and buildings. As a little kid, I dreamed that I could do that. And then I dreamed that ever so often I would just like straight fall to the floor. Like I literally had wings and I could ascend and get a bird's eye view. And I was able to put uh, pieces together of things that I saw, right? Um, I never could figure out why I consistently had that dream as a kid. But now, as a 46-year-old woman who is taking some steps, beneath the radar, that some people might feel is weird or whatever, but I'm not here to please y'all. But I feel like my own interpretation of the dream is like, hey, this means that I have some spiritual help to be able to put the pieces that I feel are like flitting all over the place um, back together in a cohesive way so that moving forward, the family lineage will not be fragmented. So I'm going to go with that. But I decided to jump on YouTube and chronicle this for a lot of reasons. One, because I feel like everybody, could benefit from learning who their family is, why we have certain traits and characteristics, why we cook this or why mama says that or whatever, whatever, whatever. Two, I think that it's very important to document thoughts and feelings and intuitions. Because, like, if you don't write them down or record them or just take note of them in some kind of way, that flash of clarity or the next question or the next step, it might elude you again. And to me, that is a piece of the puzzle that needs to be put together for me, of course, first and primarily, but also for the future. And then, again, everybody is not going to be here. How we are today in this moment will never be this way again, personally or outside of self, you know? Um, and I think that in a world where we have such easy access to do the documentation, why wouldn't you? So here I am in my bathroom floor, because girl, this laundry got to be done, and we doing the whole pre-spray, because I don't like stains. um which is funny because again, in the lineage there are rocks, there are obstacles, there are stains, there are reasons why instead of moving left, somebody moved right. Instead of going forward, somebody took a side step, you know. So this is just preparing me, and I think it's symbolic. This is preparing me for this laundry, right? But it's also preparing me to cleanse myself, to cleanse my future, to forge ahead in the way that I feel is necessary at this point. Uh, I don't have a specific plan, and but we gonna wing it, and it gonna do what it do. I love y'all. Peace.